Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Binur Arifin for robotic class from robotic class A for night shift and 6th semester. And now in this opportunities I'm about to explain for the classification model. It is SVM or support vector machine to classify the dataset from MNIST letters with the implementation of SOG feature extraction and LOO CV for evaluation and visualization. And first thing first we need to do from the program set is we need to import all the library we need. For example, for this one is NumPy and Pandas. We need to import this library for data manipulation, and then Matplotlib it's for visualization, and then sklearn this is for the SVM, the classifier we needed, support vector machine, and then sklearn also we need it for the train test split research for the hyperparameter, and for the confusion matrix, accuracy score, precision score, recall score, F1 score also from sklearn. And then the library from skimage we needed it. We need for the feature extraction using HOG or histogram of oriented gradient. And then MLXTN is used for confusion matrix plotting. After importing the library, we need to read the data and in this case I read the data with CSV format. It is MNIST letters range.csv, and the data shape is 88,799 feature, or also 785 column. And after that we need to separate the feature and the label. X all for the feature with this shape, and this is the data type, and then Y all for the labels with the data type is integer. And then we need to limit the maximum samples we need. With the class there are 26 class, and for each class it contains 100 sample, and it means the total will be 2,600 samples. And then we need to do the splitting the data. For the test size is 0.2. that means will be 20% for the test size, and as well as the trend size will be 80% or 0.8. And we need to do the extraction using HOG or histogram of oriented gradient. This one for the train data. For the parameters, orientation is the bin that we use for this SOG extraction feature. For the default is 9, but I change it to 10. Then pixels per cell, it is the amount of pixels in one cell. This is the default value, and I change it to 4 times 4. And then next parameter is cells per block. That means the amount of cell in one block. This is the default value 2 times 2. I change it to 4 times 4. And then I do the plotting the train data. For this case is from index 3. This is the result for the plot, and this is the label. It is the letter number 23, I mean the 23rd letter. It is W, and this is the plot of histogram image of that index index number 3. And next we need to do the expression with SOG for test data with the parameters same as well as the train data. We should make it same, and then I do the standardize for the feature for the distribution of the class, and then I use grid source parameter for the SVM, the classifier support vector machine, to choose the best parameter with the higher accuracy. I use this grid source parameter, and it will automatically to check to get the best parameter from the kernel, C, gamma, and degree. And next this is the line for I print the parameter that I use for this SVM, with the C is 10, degree is the value is 2, the gamma with scale, and the kernel using RBF. And then I do the evaluation using LOOCV, or leave one out. This is the line for the evaluation to get the confusion matrix, accuracy score, precision score, recall score, and F1 score. After that I print out the result. This is the result for the confusion matrix, and then this is the accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score for the train data. The result is 0.8 and something, then that's mean if it's close to 1, it's mean the classifier is good. And next I make the plotting for the confusion matrix. This is to make it easier to see the data. It is the raw confusion matrix, and this is the confusion matrix with plot. And then I also evaluate the test data to get the confusion matrix, the accuracy score, the precision score, recall, and F1 score. And the value that I get is around 0.8, almost the same with the train data. And then this is the plotting of the confusion matrix from test data. And next I do the plot for one sample, and the sample is for index 21. This is the image, and then the label is the letters number 15. It is O letter, and that means it is correct to check the picture and to get the label. And that's all the explanation about the classifier SVM or support vector machine to classify the MNIST letter using SOG or histogram of oriented gradient for the feature extraction, and doing the evaluation using LOOCV or leave out one, LOOCV, and also doing the visualization for the data. Thank you so much. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.